Good morning, and in case we live in different time zone or different planet, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. So, my dearest friends of Gweike, and this is Villa from Gweike Cloud, and I'm here with Aubrey. And Aubrey is gonna, give you guys, an introduction of today's schedule, right?
Okay. Let me introduce the progress of the ceremony first. The first part, follow us and visit our exhibition hall, and where you can learn about the Gweike's 19 years of manufacturing and developing history, and also can experience the DIY interest of our Gweike Cloud product. And the second part, you can know the expectations of our CEO and the Gaoxing District sub-management. And the third part is our new product, the 60 kilowatts ultra high power fiber laser cutting machine. The release program. And after that, you can know some little surprise after our ceremony. And now here we go to see the exhibition halls.
Yeah, so here we go. All these years with us, they also shows up to support our the launch of the.
We have invited many famous people from various industries to support us from all over the company.
Yeah, it's so crowded, It's lots of people. Yes, so today we're gonna show you guys a tour, and you can feel the vibe, and so right here, it's you can check out our showroom. It's quite enticing and so digital. So standing here, you can literally feel the power of Gweike laser, and today I'm gonna give you it's such an honor and privilege for me to give you guys a tour for our showroom to let you guys to learn more about Gweike laser, right?
Yeah, okay.
I think this way, yeah.
Okay.
This way. So right here is our culture war. So basically, you can see that the value of Gweike laser is that we trying to roll out more intelligent laser machines to make ourselves proud, and also to make the world proud. So let me tell you guys that what the Gweike mean is that it indicates the first of all the spirit of the gold, and the spirit of the power and strength of Gweike laser, and also embodies of the hardworking and engraving and embossing, and yeah, that's it. So shall we move on?全忘了。
你看。
So right here's a timeline of the development of Gweike. It's been a long journey. It's literally 19 years. Actually, we founded in 2004 initially, and in the following year we managed to expand ourselves into international market, and then in 2013 we managed to establish the first self-developed production line in the north of China. And what's more, in 2020 we managed to branch out into new energy and ultra precision cutting business. And in the near future, Gweike's gonna lead the whole industry as a vanguard and ride as a vanguard and riding the wind and the waves. Yeah. So let's move on.
From Villa's work, we can clearly see the layout of our whole factory. You can see this is the first phase production area from our 2030, and this is the second phase factory. Is for the fabricator cutting machine. And most of the fabricator cutting machines are assembling and manufacturing from there. And the third is the shell manufacturing factory, and our machine shell and all over the parts manufactured by us and from there. And the third phase, the factory launch is to this main core is the intelligent assemble production line. Okay, that's a layout we can see there.
Yeah, lights up, guys. So let's move to another part.
From 2021, our brand have become the most famous brand from all over the world, and in the US and Europe, our market share is number one from all over the Chinese brand of the exporting volume. And from 2019, we start to become our main core to industrial, from the industrial laser to commercial laser. And you can see the main core from there. The first main core is the fiber laser cutting machine and the non-metal cutting machine. Every year we export more than 20,000 size of the fiber laser cutting machine and the 50,000 size non-metal fiber laser cutting machine. And you can see the fiber laser cutting machine and the laser pipe cutting and the 3D laser cutting. Also this year we released the new products, the new energy and precision cutting machine from our Shenzhen branch. And from 2019 we started to manufacturing the commercial laser, the Gweike cloud laser, and some small laser like GR laser marking machine and the download laser cutting machine. You can check our web and see all over the product line.
Yeah, absolutely. The reason that we launching our commercial laser cutters and engravers is that we really wanna encourage people to use the machine to create values and make profits on their own hands. That's what we do, and that's the whole thing. And we really want to do that, to encourage people and to make crafting and to do DIY stuff, to create more values on their own hands. Yeah, that's it. So above all, that's our the core businesses. And what's more, here's a map. That's our our business cover really a whole range of the regions. You can see that currently the annual capacity of our production line is more than 200,000 machines per year, and the production line and the international basis and many branches of Gweike covers more than 200,000 square meters, and we literally starting from the China Jinan, and we are literally serving more than 180 countries and regions all around the world. Right, Aubrey?
Yeah, sure. We started our business from the 2004. And we have many agents all over the world. If you have interested to become our agent or reseller, you can contact us by the below contacts. Okay. And you can know we are consistent in developing and manufacturing. According to the 3 points. The first point is independent R&D. We have our own R&D departments, more than 100%, and our boss also come from the R&D by themselves. And the second part is the lean manufacturing. You can see all over the machines are manufactured by ourselves and have to extract the expectations. And the third point is the system service. We have the system service about our after sales service and from sales service. You can contact us all over the sales progress. Okay.
Yep. That's right. We always, put our customers as our top priority, and we have literally 24/7 after service online. And also we have, engineers and offices internationally, and you can call us, or you can just and Mercedes from Germany. Also, we also have a close connection and a relationship with some educational projects and programs. And one more thing I want you guys that know that is the cooperations between us and some of the brands has more than 10 years, even more than a decade. And yeah, so the core strategy of Gweike, for the international cooperation is that we always, value the deep cooperation, and we always put the collaborators and the customers on the top priority. Yep. And yeah, here we go.
You can know the flexible manufacturing strategy from our Gweike Cloud company, and from there we can see we are not only insisted on the industrial laser cutting machine industry, and we also extension our business to the commercial in laser. And from there we start our commercial laser journey, and we also make the new energy and intelligent manufacturing from these 2 years. And also we still insist on our old business of the fiber laser cutting machine to make a high power and high speed fiber laser cutting machine to help humans to make their another dreams.
Yeah, absolutely.
From
this is our one of the most popular one. It's our Gweike Cloud Pro. It's a CO2 laser. Basically, it can cut and engrave on some non-metal, most of the non-metal materials such as wood, acrylic, cardboard. You can check out all of some samples. So you know what? So lots of our customers and potential customers, they really want to, some of them are freelancers, and they really want to, start a small business on their own. And it's, our machine, it's not just a machine, to do some projects. It's a machine that literally can, create values, and you can also make it commercial. You can, start from nothing. You can do some crafting and do some, projects. You can sell them. You can make profits. You can, make a living by the machine. And yeah, the GB Cloud Pro, we have a series. We have a GB Cloud Basic, we have Pro, we have RF, and the whole series, also are quite, well received by the market so far. You guys, you can check it out. Also, the showroom, it's just this is just part of the sample exhibitions. We have much more samples that quite impressive. You can refer to our website. We have an official website. We have our official Amazon shop. Do you have something to say, Aubrey?
You can see the awards we have guides from the shell designing and created the innovation of the award and the science sustainable. Also, all over the world, we got we have got before, and we can see the core technology of our fiber laser cutting machine. Our new product release, we will see the 3D digital ECG to show the machine's whole status, and our intelligent management system, and you can see the assembly progress, the machine's running status, and after sales, from the sales, the whole progress, and also you can see the intelligent operation system. Our machine have many different operation functions. You can see the video shows the scan QR code to card. You can make a QR code of the parts you want to card, and use the Gweike system to scan the QR code, and the machine will start to card. And also is pep carding machine. You can use a pep carding, and this is the automatic obstacle system. And also you can see the flexible intelligent carding. This is a very new and expectations product from last year. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. The core technology is the key. Gweike laser. We are never stop the step for innovating and renovating. We since all these years we have been always updating the whole system and the operation system. We're trying to make it more more advanced and more integrated. To make it the operation more easier and simpler, and to save your time, to save your more materials, and make it more commercial. You can do your projects with less profits, less cost.
才9点36。
走了吧。
走 着呢，得10点
Yeah,
了。
we never stop, innovating and renovating, since all this year.
Yeah, we
Here
use the
more.
innovating to see the sample display, and we use the most common materials like the carbon steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, and other aluminum. And you can see from different various different thickness of different materials. We make many wonderful designs. And we can closely to see the designs. Also, we have a chart to see the different thickness, the cutting stitches from our fabricator cutting machine. Yes, because many of our customers who are dedicated to make the designs for halls, for factories or outdoor. And so somebody will use the fiber laser cutting machine and some non-metal laser cutting machine to cut or engrave some different designs to make the outdoors. Yes, and also this is a word of our China domestic from our district and Jinan City or Shandong province. You can see this word and you can know Gweike is always the top brand of fabricated cutting machine in the north of the China.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, we can see the intelligent factory and
for this industry, the laser machines and laser cutting machines, the laser engine and laser head, and the laser source is the most important part.
yeah,
right?
yeah.
You guys can check it out.
You can from the beams to start to see. This is the first iron aluminum beam we have used, because you can know the structure is very strict and it's very heavy than some other beam use the stainless steel or other materials. The aluminum is from the enemy. And we can know the Gweike automatic R&D, the laser hide with our brand or from ours. And this is the ultra high power fiber laser hide from our Gweike Cloud own brand. And this is the Sapcard laser cutter, and it's named Boots. The fiber laser cutter is equipped with some ultra high power, more than 12,000 kilowatts, and this is the Rechoose, our old friend and the cooperation friend, more than. Okay,
and with our machine, what you can do for your crafting, for your projects, it's not just a machine, to do some stuff. You can literally create values. You can make it commercial. You can make profits literally. So both for our the big machines like some our industrial fellas, and also for our desktop laser cutters. We have been always been innovating and renovating. We never stop to releasing or launching for new machines to encourage people to create values and to start from nothing, and you can start to do your projects. Yeah, so yeah, that's the whole point. the whole live stream is, it's not convincing. It's just a demonstration. You can, crafting sometimes sounds, seemingly quite difficult. You know nothing, but you can really learn fast. You can literally, genuinely do some stuff for yourself. Also, you can create values and make profits, make decent profits. Let me see, Yeah.
Everybody know Gweike founded from 2004, and we have exported the machines from 2005. And we can see this is the first machine we have manufactured, and you can see this machine's model is LC3090. The biggest the point is he have a four-side door to door. And we can open the door to see later. This machine structure is very strong, and you can see the laser height. Laser height and the two reflective lens, and we use the stamp. Also, this is the blade bite. If you also want, we can make the honeycomb. If we have the key, we can open here to see the four-door open. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. So all of our, laser machines, they are quite robust outwardly, and they are totally safe to use and simple to use. And we always, put the safety and user-friendly operation to the top priority. The reason why we, create our laser machines is that we want to make the whole process more friendly and simpler and easier, to allow you guys, to make more interesting and fascinating, to help you guys, to boost up your, projects and make profits.
Yeah, our company have many designers who are dedicated for the shell designing, and this is another design for our international resellers. Maybe you know the famous brand is in Australia, and also we have many other
branches.
Branches to support the service to the local for the different shells of the designing.
Yes, yeah. Another thing that I want to mention about that, I used to work in Ford, the Ford automobile company, and I worked in there. There are a lot out there inside, and I think that from my experience, the welding machine and the cutting machine are quite, demanding, and there's lots of, potential need for the automation company and automobile company. Such as for Ford, for Mercedes, there's a lot of automobile companies that are quite famous, and the needs is quite huge. We really wanna to expand more and reach more broader business with all these companies. Yeah.
Some 3D models of our different
This showroom is just an edge of the iceberg. We have a much more samples and more powerful machines on in our production line, and also you can check it out our social media and website, also our official Amazon shop. You can just we have 24/7 customer service and pre-sale service. If you are quite interested in in our products, our machines, our services, or anything you want to know about us, you can just drop a message. Can reach out anytime, and our customer service gonna respond right away. You can just email us. You can reach out to our social media, and you can just call us. Whatever you want, you can reach out to us. To get more information about our service, our brand, our machines. Anything you want, you can just reach out.
And there is our precision cutting equipment display, and you can see this is the picocycling of laser cutting machine. Research from our Shenzhen district branch, and for not only have one working area, it is 60-50. Mostly for the batch cutting, for the PET or some glass. The industrial and traditional CO2 laser cutting machine just for the engraving the glass, and these machines overcome the obstacle, and it's just for the glass cutting.
We are nearly here at the front door of our enticing, fascinating production line.
It's the new energy and production line from our Shenzhen branch. It's a very new product.
It's all about the capacity, the technology.
Okay, that's our showroom's journey, and we can start to go to our production workshop. 几点了？这不10点一刻吗？不是。Yeah, it's very hot in our workshop, and
basically most of our cutting machines, they have an online operation system. You can operate on computer, or for our desktop laser, you can just use our mobile application, and also for desktop applications. You try to make it more user friendly and simpler and easier to operate. Most of our laser machines are quite outwardly, they seems really robust, but they are indeed genuinely powerful, and you can let it work perfectly to meet up your needs. And if our customers they are interested in our products, they can come to our production line in person. They can feel the power of a laser before the order, and they can just to check it out in person, to feel the power, the capacity, the everything that they are really want to know. Basically, we have quite a few branches domestically and internationally, and also we have our engineers right there locally. If you need after sale service, you have some technical issues, you can call us, you can reach out, you just drop the message, and we will be there.
There is our new intelligent automatic laser cutting machine, and we just see the laser height in our showroom. The laser height is researched by ourselves, and the laser height can make the n degree minus 360 degree rotary to flexibly cutting the four more parts, like the parts of the car, or some designs from the outdoor and indoors. And we can see the indoors of the machine. The laser height can rotate for different degrees. Also, it's like a little workshop within the machines. This is the control panel. And we have two cameras to show the status within the machine. You can see there have some people to visit in the later showroom of the machine. So we can show you guys how to operate and the cutting of the machine. And for there, we can see our automatic bending center and also the traditional bending machine. You can see the difference. The bending machine needs people put your feet to the button and to control the machines. And there is a control panel. You need to use your hand to set up the parameters, and the bending center is different. There is a setting up panel, and we can see the operation progress. You mix the panel here, and the machine will operation automatically. Like our engineers to show you the progress of the operation. it's finished, you can see the demonstration of the metal bending progress. And the edge is very smooth. Also, you don't need to change the models of the blade. And for our traditional bending machine, it's different. You need at least two workers to make the machine. You need to change the models of the blade, and you need another person to control the panel and the button. Also, if you know the automatic production line, you maybe know the automatic little chart. It's equipped with our fabricator cutting machine. Absolutely of the covered fabricator cutting machine for some ultra high power will need use this blade. And okay, there is our showroom, and we can see the side of our fabricator cutting machine. And for this side, we can see the laser welding machine. This is the two generations, the old generation and the new in here. And you can see the new generation, the volume is very smaller than before. And and we can see the structure is a laser source, 2000 kilowatt, and is the SNA water chiller, honey water chiller. This is a very famous brand of the water chiller. Yeah, and there is a wire feeder. The wire will from this equipment to send the weather from the laser hung automatically. And we can see the welding progress. This machine has three functions: welding, cutting, and cleaning. You need to change the mirrors and the height. And the height by realizing the different functions. And be carefully to use the machine. It's very hot in the summer. If you wanna welding the materials don't have 2 millimeters, you don't need to use the wire to fit the gap. The most traditional laser model of our company, and this is the most popular models in the world. This is the LF1350 LN models, and you can see this laser source is 6,000 kilowatts. and the laser height is very big, is for equipped with the laser power. And the other model is the LF3050LN, the second generation. You can see we have assembled the whole parts within our machine. It's the popular of the machines industry. And this is a very cost-effective model of the LF3050E. Last year, we have sold more than 1,000 sites of this machine. Our core is for supporting. We can see the quality effect of the machine.
还10分钟吧，过去。
我饿了。我饿，你热。这个啥？The materials is 1mm wide.
So basically, you guys already, go through what our laser machine can do, do some powerful cutting, and you can choose whatever materials you want, to do the cutting, and you can decide what patterns you want, what design you want, what thickness you want. You can, just, to cut it whenever you want, and after that, after the cutting, you can, you want to do some painting or engraving. As we show you before, that our desktop laser, fiber laser engraving machine, they can help you, to do some engraving on the most of the metal materials like some gold, silver, and also for some many plastics and some painted glasses, and for some phone case for your keyboard, or some bottom openers, and yeah, literally a lot,
And here is our most popular series of the machine in the US, because it's a cover machine. It's very safe. Use the CE glasses, and it have the exchange table. You can up your efficiency a lot, and can save our workers. And there have two cameras to control, to see the running status within machine, the front and the back.
Yeah, so from outwardly, this machine looks quite robust and you know, quite huge. And
there is the actual high power series of our machine GH, and you can know the working area is very big and it's like a twin height. And also there is the control system of the sub card, the boots laser height as we see in the showroom, and also we can see the laser source. The laser source is different with the low power fibrillator cutting machine. The laser source is in all the doors, and we can see the power is 40,000 kilowatts. And we released last year. You can know our research in progress, and the time is very fast. Last year we projected the 40,000 kilowatts, and this year we released the 60,000 kilowatts, and the water chiller also very big. And we also have an independent control cabinet, and the cabinet with a small air refrigerator to seal and protect the parts and the electrical components within the cabinet, because many areas in like Brazil, Argentina is very hot, so we make these designs and also get the words.
nice speech, Aubrey.
And I think it's time to go to the main showroom to see our CEOs and the Goshen district the management.
Yeah,
And,
the ceremony is opens in 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah. And we can see the automatic pulp laser cutting machine and the system. You can see
Yeah.
our workshop. This is all totally automatic and
Through the camera, you guys can literally feel and witness how, you know, how grand this production line is. You know, we can definitely do, you know, huge order, and you don't have to worry about the capacity and you know, the
if available, we can show you guys that look around all over our showroom next time. And today's the main core is for the 60,000 kilowatts machines release, and our the third phase factory launched ceremony, so we can transfer your feet to our ceremony main room. And we can see many customers have arrived, and we have some small words to and gift to send them.
That's Italian, I suppose. I don't know.
他意大利代理，
他是意大利语专业，他留学了。
Oh, I see the gift people. 对不起。
Yeah, so apparently, you know, the whole operation can be, you know, quite easy and digital, and you just need some couple steps. You can, you know, do the job and finish the project.
我们现在要移动固定一台设备，然后仪式就
忘了是啥。
So basically, the ceremony is gonna open in a couple minutes. Like in 10 minutes, I suppose. And and we're gonna fix up the stream view, to give you guys a whole view of the whole ceremony. Today, some of our dedicated collaborators gonna show up, and also some of our clients gonna show up today, and some government officers gonna show up, and some of our clients, some of our collaborators, cooperated brands. Today they're all gonna show up and join the ceremony. It's literally legit. 我们要是长期制作创新的科技成功，也是让我们紧紧锁定看视探索的更多可能。基础科技，精密重生更好。追求极致，用执着，听见吗？用信心，技术创新，精微合金，精金属风情调整。再拿一个线，The ceremony is gonna open in a couple minutes, 3 minutes. Counting down. There will be some shows, some speeches from our partners, and also some government officers' speech, and our boss, Mr. Jiang, is gonna give a speech for the whole ceremony, and some shows, some gestures, some speeches, I suppose. So guys, stay tuned. 往上飞，飞丝的也可以。关麦了，没连麦都不关。太搞笑了！你看这，
看这说啥了？
多了，今天早上到了之后，刚来给你们讲了
呀，烂了。
So today is genuinely a hot summer day. Today is gonna be a flaming day, I suppose. And a small reminder for you guys, as we mentioned before today, is that our G2 20-watt fiber laser cutter engraver is gonna launch very soon in next month. We literally have a crowdfunding on Kickstarter. You guys stay tuned. And from the day of launching day, you guys can enjoy the super early bird price for just $1,499 for our G2 20-watt fiber laser cutter. You know, it's totally handheld, it's easy to operate, it's portable, super portable. You guys can take it to work on most of the metal surfaces, you know. You know, it's not that common for a fiber laser machine with 20-watt laser power, you know. So you guys stay tuned. And also you guys can catch up for the super early bird price with free protective closure. Guys, here we go.
欢迎大家在百忙之中莅临基微可激光，参加烛光启向未来基微可激光智能生产基地项目投产暨启动仪式。我是山东广播电视台齐鲁频道的主持人孙云，非常荣幸今天和大家在这现场一起见证这个重要的时刻。在此，我谨代表主办方对各位的到来表示热烈的欢迎和衷心的感谢，欢迎大家。 下面我们来隆重地介绍一下出席本次活动的各位领导和嘉宾，他们是济南市民营经济发展局党组成员、副局长高振刚，欢迎您；济南高新区党工委委员、管委会副主任张磊，欢迎您。
Mr. Zhang from the government.
工业和信息化局总工程师张建军，欢迎您。
Mr. Zhang from the government.
高新区智能装备产业发展中心主任林颖，欢迎您。
Mr. Lin from the government.
山东省邓林企业发展促进会会长张景伟，欢迎。
Mr. Zhang from the Shandong Province
山东省
Financial
工业经济委员会
Department.
秘书长张翔，欢迎您。
For everybody's coming for this ceremony.
激光制造最亮的光，扬帆起航。
Our company becomes the lightest light.
2013年正式组建第一生产基地，2020年踏入新权新赛道。19年来，金热激光在时代的推动中勤耕补种，大又发展，成为全球领先的激光品牌。企业发展、行稳资源的背后，离不开济南市及高新区政府的深入赋能和对客户的深切支持。 战略伙伴的紧密相处，在对于在座各位领导、嘉宾再次表示衷心的感谢。技术攻关，共赢。多年来，金融激光紧盯国家智能制造的战略部署，将产品和技术作为企业自身战略，以推进智能制造作为主攻方向，聚焦自动化生产线、3V5头切割技术、超高功率切割、新能源动力电池制造、精密切割制造等重点领域，在引领千行百业智能化转型的道路上，绿光向前，奋起独行。今天即将启动的金瑞克智能生产基地，占地128亩，建筑面积10.2平方米，项目总投资5.05亿元，是金瑞克第4大生产基地。2021年，省级重点项目山东省新旧动能转换优选项目，2022年山东省数字经济重点项目，从一指南到竣工建成，感谢济南市委、市政府、高新区等各级领导的大力支持。它的投产标志着金瑞克形成了超20万平米的产源基地，铸就了 年产超20万台的生产能力。它的荣耀过程是金威克完善3维5流智能装备及柔性生产布局的保障，是在自动化、智能化领域深耕的革新，更是融合世界领先技术，为中国激光品牌抢占全球智能制造的高地。逐光向前，自启新程，立足新起点，把握新机遇。金威克激光将继续以市场为导向，研发为根本，品质为基础，成果转化为目标，在中国制造大国到制造强国转型的道路上持续赋能加力。最后，预祝本次活动圆满成功，恭祝各位身体健康，万事如意。谢谢大家。
感谢蒋总的致辞，相信金威克激光在蒋总的带领之下呢，也将会锐意进取，开拓创新，继续以科技之光照亮发展之路。以智为旗，耀起新章。金威克激光智能生产基地的投产启用，又将为金威克激光注入哪些动能呢？接下来有请济南金威克科技发展有限公司国内营销中心总监尤福德上台，为大家来介绍投产产能计划及未来战略规划。有请。
Our domestic director.
尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾，大家上午好！欢迎来到金威克激光智能生产基地的启动仪式现场。非常感谢各界领导和同仁长期以来对金威克的支持与关注。在此，我谨代表金威克激光向大家表示由衷的感谢。今天能够站在这里，很荣幸，也很高兴，能够代表金威克激光向大家介绍金威克的品牌战略和未来战略规划。金威克激光在蒋总的带领之下，资深布局19载，专业专注一束光。金威克激光在行业内先后曾获得国家级专精特新小巨人企业、国家高新技术企业、中国好技术山东省耕耘企业、山东省第一批好品山东品牌企业、山东省制造业单项冠军企业、山东省技术创新示范企业、山东省制造业高端品牌培育企业等荣誉称号。金威克激光致力于做全球先进的激光设备制造商。金威克激光拥有1个研发中心、3大生产基地。目前我们所处的是智能化综合生产基地。智能化综合生产基地总占地128亩，总投资5.05亿，建筑面积约10.2万平方米。这个综合生产基地一个字大，大在哪里？是目前行业内全球最大的人体生产车间。创新是企业发展的永恒主题，研发是科技创新的智慧。金威克激光不断提升自主研发力，先后在3维5族、超高功率接钩头拥有自主研发力，更是在3维5族超高功率激光切割机、柔性自动化生产机、新能源激光膜切分切一体机设备、精密切割等设备产品技术力上位于行业前列。我们的智能化生产基地投产使用之后，将给我们能带来哪些突破和提升？首先，能促进我们金威克激光企业规模效应。这个回答最直观的是产能的突破。我们的作业面积提升200%，作业面积的提升，也意味着我们更多工位的规划、出品量，导致我们提升200%以上。畅销机型作业流水线设计，我们集约生产环节，效率 率提升100%以上。我们超工位的规划设计，使客户定制超高功率、超大幅面激光切割机设备尺寸的时候，不再受我们生产场地的限制。新品研发，我们目前拥有专属规划车间，我们使加快新品研发，保持领跑优势。我们通过数字化运营平台，金立可实现了企业数字化研发、可视化管理、智能化生产、服务化数字延伸、安全化管理，使金立可激光更好地整合资源，更高效率地为更多的客户提供更优质的产品和服务。金立可有5年规划、10年目标和30年企业愿景。我们的5年规划是产值达30亿，立足新能源及汽车领域，成为全球知名激光品牌。我们的10年目标，紧跟激光最前沿应用技术，做民主激光的领导者和开创者。我们的企业愿景是金威可制造，让世界骄傲。未来，金威可激光将用智慧创造更多可能。最后，祝各位领导工作顺利，身体健康。祝各位企业家朋友生意兴隆，财源滚滚。
感谢尤总的介绍。未来，金威可激光呢将会继续深度聚焦客户与市场的需求，深研发精制造细服务，更好地推动高端装备制造产业高质量发展。经过多年的鏖战，金威可激光在万瓦切割应用领域的供应呢已经是愈发的成熟了，在推动千行百业智能化转型升级的过程当中，发挥了行业先锋作用。大器降成，不惧后晚。今天由瑞科激光、博楚电子、金威可激光联合发布的6万瓦超高功率激光切板机样式而来。它的推出又将为我们带来哪些惊喜呢？一起来看大屏幕。金威可激光最新推出的6万瓦超高功率激光切板机，拥有更强切割能力、
Light-change camera
加工后
and witness the realization of another human dream. Gweike 16,000 kilowatt ultra high power and a large format fabrication condition is officially on sale today. Why have we been developing and pursuing higher power machines? 1000 ultra high laser power is accompanied by greater combustion energy and stronger cutting kinetic technology. This is the progress we have been pursuing from 20 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt. Let's take a look at the comparison of carbon common. Okay, power is recording 66 on the
激光
market.
19年的荣光绽放的背后，离不开济南市高新区各界领导的大力支持与关怀。下面让我们用热烈掌声欢迎济南高新区智能装备产业发展中心主任林明上台致辞，有请。
And welcome the Goshen District Intelligent Equipment Production and Development Center Supervisor Mr. Lin.
您的镇长、
To see their expectations of Gweike companies.
各位领导、各位嘉宾，大家上午好。金山一天，激光辉映天。很高兴在今天与大家欢聚一堂，共同见证金可激光智能生产基地投产。在此，对各位领导、各位嘉宾的到来表示热烈的欢迎和诚挚的问候，对金威克取得辉煌成就表示祝贺，对其长期以来为济南激光产业发展做出的突出贡献表示衷心的感谢。济南高新区作为全市经济发展的主引擎、主阵地、主力军，正加快 推进高端装备制造产业提档升级，聚集了重汽集团、民工重机、新能源等一批电子企业，产业规模达到1800亿，逐步构建起绿色化、智能化、数字化产业体系。在千亿级高端装备制造业的强支撑下，2022年地区生产总值突破1600亿，在国家级高原区排名中居全省第1位，北方第2。一般公共预算收入增速连续12个月，位居全市4个百业区第1位。线上经营助餐销售增长26%，固定资产投资增长14%，出口进出口总额占全市半壁江山，展现出高原区经济的强大韧性和旺盛活力。济南是北方地区最大的激光装备产业基地，具备完备的激光装备产业。全市目前用激光企业达到300多家，产业规模已突破150亿，是山东省激光产业的核心区域，正加快崛起成为中国激光第3产业。目前，高原区已聚集的济南激光产业7%以上的重点企业，构建了从上游的芯片、晶体材料到中游的激光器，再到下游激光加工装备制造等这一完整的激光产业链，拥有以金科为代表的一大批条件良好的优质企业。2014年，金科落地生根，经过10年的行业深耕，不断提升研发能力、精益制造水平，成为激光领域全国前10的国家级高因素企业。作为山东省激光装备创新创业公益体的承担之一，激光链条的打造以及政产学研精服用的产业服务政策，为金微科的发展做了更为强劲的发展动力。在激光切割装备市场由外部依赖转向自主创新的关键阶段，金微科又带来6万瓦超高功率激光切割芯片，充分整合金微科技术、品牌创新优势以及山东省激光装备创新共同体的平台资源优势，必将推动金微科在自动化、智能化层面实现转型升级，进一步壮大济南市激光产业区。今天，对于金微科来说，意味着开启新征程。希望金微科以此次投产活动为契机，奋起扬帆，努力讨产，向着年产15亿的目标全速迈进。同时，也希望金微科能够加强与驻企高校科研院所合作，进一步提高自主创新能力，为推动激光产业发展和全市经济增长做出更大贡献。高原区将按照1334的发展思路，秉持从企出发、与企共赢的服务理念，用更好、更优的服务理念赋能企业发展，鼓励企业进一步加大研发投入，持续创新，不断提升市场竞争力和影响力，携手打造国内领先的高端装备制造产业，聚集其对强新优、父母高的新一代社会主义现代化强产业建设贡献力量。最后，祝金微科激光智能生产基地投产活动圆满成功，祝各位领导、各位嘉宾身体健康，工作顺利，万事如意。谢谢大家。
感谢李主任的致辞，相信在济南高新区的深度赋能之下，金微科激光的未来一定会有一个新的跨越和发展。那接下来我们要迎来最为重要的关键时刻，烛光起向未来，金微科激光智能生产基地项目即将盛大启动了。接下来让由济南高新区党工委委员、党委会副主任张磊，济南市工业和信息化局总工程师张景军，山东省工业和信息化局副局长张景磊，山东省工业经济联合会秘书长张翔，山东省新动能投资管理有限公司董事长陈学彪，山推工程机械有限公司驾驶室事业部总经理梁庆明，中国高压协会理事长
cooperation strategy
济南基微克科技发展有限公司董事长兼总经理蒋奇峰上台来共同启动。
我在念。
有请台上的各位领导将右手放在我们的按键上，我们全场一起来倒数5个数。
All of the people put their hands to the mark of the shoulder.
请按键。基微克激光智能生产基地正式启动。相信基微克做出了基微克激光的智能化工程，基微克将实现生产能力与研发实力的强力进阶。请各位领导会议留念。好的，谢谢，请坐坐休息，谢谢。那么未来我们将继续秉承创新精神，不断追求卓越，为社会、为客户提供可靠的产品，努力实现业务发展新的飞跃。那么现在活动的第1环节已经结束了，下面我们将会分批次进展厅进行参观。首先有请我们前台的领导移步我们的展厅进行参观。现场的其他来宾不要离座，我们将进入活动的第2环节——首置增产仪式。
We will go to the second part to guarantee the quality of our machines and the production.
基微克激光对生产流程的层层把关，更来自于对供应商的严
We
格
always
选择。
structure
多
with
年来，
our
基微克激光
progress of the production
供应
lines
商
and
为设
production
备
progress.
筑就了坚实的基础。今天我们将在现场签订供应商首置责任书，用实际行动为每一台设备包含交付
and the
提供有
development
力保
for the
障。
future.
接下来有请济南基微克科技发展有限公司供应链中心总监徐振亮上台，为我们宣读倡议书的内容。有请。
Welcome our domestic production director, Mr. Ju, to see the expectations and the layout of our factory and
各位的尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾，感谢各位不辞辛苦远道而来。基微克激光19年来绿光前行的路上，各位供商朋友一直是我们信赖的战略合作伙伴。在此，我谨代表基微克激光对各位一直以来的陪伴与支持表示真诚的感谢。 为了进一步夯实品质基础，推动中国激光产业向强发展，在此我代表基微克激光向各位供应商伙伴作出倡议如下：恪守品质，牢住质量基石，强化质量意识，完善质量体系，提升质量核心竞争力，通过严格的品控管理。 保障每一个产品的高品质交付，对每一个终端客户负责，对中国制造的口碑负责。诚信经营，提升履约能力，坚守道德底线，坚持诚信为本，把信守承诺和严格履约作为基本行事准则，不断提升企业履约能力和服务水平。 强化调度，确保如期交付，尽职尽责，快速响应，落实生产进度，确保产品如期交付，合理保障最终每一台设备及时到达客户现场，为制造业的智能化转型赋能加力。望我们凝心聚合力，保供应，提品质。 扩产能，共同打造中国激光产业的美好未来，让中国制造成为世界骄傲。最后，感谢各位领导与来宾的到来，恭祝大家身体健康，万事如意。好，谢谢。
感谢徐总。接下来有请 武汉瑞科光纤激光技术有限公司大客户总监李波，阿帕奇北极光纤激光技术有限公司营销总监董志娟，上海。
Welcome our strategic cooperation partner, Gweike Director Mr. Li, and the FPG Fabricator Coordination Limited Company, Mr. and the Subcard Control Technology Limited Company, and the Zhangji Economic Limited Company, and all of others.
武汉奥森迪科智能科技股份有限公司总经理傅法玉，
To get to the stage to sign the
孙伟恒，
supplier quality warranty promise.
有请各位在我们的检测台上庄严的签下自己的名字。
Agreement signing ceremony.
这支运营则行之归属，本次责任组建立将成为金科激光与广大战略合作携手打下高质量发展的粘合剂，为中关服务
Accompanied with all of our suppliers to guarantee our products and product lines
好的，谢谢，请入座。
quality.
6万瓦超高功率激光切割机的推出，为下游客户会带来哪些赋能？这是我们很多客户呢最为关心的一个问题。那接下来我们要有请济南金威科技发展有限公司研发中心总监王伟为我们来详细的介绍一下。有请王总。
Welcome to Gweike R&D's domestic director, Mr. Wang, to lead the release of 60,000 kilowatts fabricator cutting machine.
尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、现场的朋友们，大家上午好。首先，感谢大家在百忙之中抽空莅临金威克智能生产基地，参与和见证金威克超高功率60千瓦新品的发布。很荣幸，下面由我来给大家介绍宣发新品的基本情况。自激光加工进入沃尔瓦时代以来，金威克始终秉承质量至上、创新发展的经营理念，从20千瓦、30千瓦、40千瓦到如今的60千瓦，我们始终保持步履坚实、行稳致远。那么60千瓦能给我们带来什么？60千瓦能给我们带来超高的激光功率、更大的燃烧能量、更强的切割动能。下面我从3种应用场景来看看它的具体表现。场景1，碳高的空气切割，60千瓦实现60毫米。
Let's take a look at the comparison of carbon common high-power extreme carbon thicknesses on the market. 20 kilowatts can cut carbon steel 70 millimeters, stainless steel 100 millimeters. 30 kilowatts can cut carbon steel 100 millimeters, stainless steel 130 millimeters. 14 kilowatts can cut carbon steel 130 millimeters and stainless steel 220 millimeters. 60 kilowatts can cut carbon steel 150 millimeters and stainless steel millimeters. And the air cutting carbon steel, the speed have upgraded a lot. We can see the application.
最大厚度能达到2.200毫米。
Regarding the back cutting detail, we can look at here 20 kilowatts carbon steel 40 millimeters, stainless steel 60 millimeters, 30 kilowatts carbon steel 50 millimeters, stainless steel 80 millimeters, 40 kilowatt can cause carbon steel 70 millimeters, stainless steel 200 millimeters, 60 kilowatts can cause. And compare the 40 kilowatts to 70 to 80 millimeters thickness materials. The speed can upload at least 1 time. And the ad is still smooth. The air cutting stainless steel 60 kilowatts can cut the most 100 millimeters. And we can see the different materials to the different speed.
切的效率，切的功能，切的效果，大幅提升。
The cutting efficiency and the cutting energy has upgraded a lot than other auto powers. Cutting 40 millimeters, the speed can erupt 4 meters every minute. It's 4 times to the 30 kilowatts.
产柜这方面，50毫米不锈钢的单质纤维，30千瓦，
hours production energy.
40千瓦，每小时产能60。
So 30 kilowatts, the production energy is every hour 40 each meters. For the 40 kilowatts, every hour is 150 and the 40 kilowatts is the every hour 140 each meters. For the 50 kilowatts is 182 meters. It's for the different power to cut 40 millimeters We take the most common cutting material on the market as an example, and we have carried out cutting tests with different powers. The benefits of using a 60 kilowatts laser cutting machine to air cut 50 millimeters carbon steel are equal to the benefits of using a 30 millimeters and a 40 kilowatts at the same time. You can see the quality and the cutting edge of the 60,000 kilowatts cutting effect compared with 4,000 kilowatts.
它能给我们带来更快的工作效率，更高的加工质量。 更强的加工能力，更有对等米粉传统加工手法的替代性能。新企业、新生产，再次感谢各位领导和朋友对金科发展大力支持和帮助。
Thank you for everything for cloud development and the
为实现金科之道，让世界骄傲的原来面积来奋斗。谢谢大家。
in uploading and developing our capacity. Thank you for everybody.
感谢王总的介绍。那么我们的产品可以说是首发即受到市场的青睐，这正是金威科激光产品力的一个最好的证明。
When our product releases,
宣布，金威科激光首台6万瓦设备正式签约，有请山东欧家技术科技有限公司金威科激光产品销售期总监刘和下台进行6万瓦签约仪式的现场签约。
agreement. We have sold the first 60,000 kilowatt laser machine to the Chinese domestic market to the old NATO Technology Limited Company. And the director of the buyer and our domestic director is signing the agreement. Thanks for his believe our machine will help them to develop more and upgrade the capacity of production. And let's see the unveiling ceremony of our 60,000 kilowatt machine, and our CEO will do it.
接下来有请武汉瑞科光纤激光技术股份有限公司营销部主任汪场，上海国储数控科技有限公司华北大区经理林玉，济南基微克科技发展有限公司研发中心总监王伟，济南基微克科技发展有限公司生产制造中心总监尹传平，有请我们4位领导共同上台，进行我们6万瓦设备的揭幕。
Welcome the board director to do the unveil for the 60,000 kilowatt machine.
我们的领导已经移动到了设备区，
It's an exciting time.
请各位领导准备好，我们要揭开我们6万瓦设备的神秘面纱。现场我们一起来倒数人数。
Let's count down the numbers. 5,
3、2、1，揭幕！后半部为大家智能转型新一集，高级接可激光6万瓦超高功率激光切割机荣耀上市，我们期待它可以为下游客户带来更多的可能。请我们4位领导多做休息。那至此，我们今天基微克激光智能生产基地投产暨启动仪式已经是接近尾声了。感谢各位领导和嘉宾的到来，更感谢来自全国各地的朋友们来见证这个难忘的重要的时刻。最后呢，祝各位来宾、各位朋友们身体健康，工作顺利。谢谢大家。
Hope everybody's happy.
接下来，我们现场感兴趣的朋友们可以是近距离来感受一下我们6万瓦设备啊，可以到我们6万瓦设备的旁边来进行近距离的参观。参观结束之后呢，主办方为大家在喜来登大酒店准备了午宴。如果有需要的朋友，可以出门乘坐我们酒店的大巴车。如果您还有其他的需求，也可以联系我们场内的其他工作人员。
Okay, fine. Let's transfer the camera to see the karting reflecting and the karting process of the 60,000 kilowatt pebble laser cutting machine. It's exciting for the first time and the first seeing of this machine. is GTI 6025DS. You can see the working area is 100 millimeters minus 2500 millimeters, and we can see the indoor by the camera. Because it's too many people, we can't hide. We can see the control system is hardcore, is the highest version system of the subcore support. We can see it's very oh 多厚的呀？The carding speed is very fast. And the part is automatically dropped, so that means the edge must be very smooth. The laser height is both we have showed in the showroom. Both laser height is a good choice. It's also introduced by the subcore company. It has the soft wire, so that means it's very equal and equipped with the same soft wire. Because these come from one company. You can see the thickness. Use the machine carding. You can see the ruler shows the should be the carbon steel. Shows the 220 millimeters. It's very big. And the edge is okay. I think maybe I can accept it.
Okay, so guys, here's all today for you. You know, the whole launch ceremony of Gweike Laser Smart Factory Phase 3. So thank you for joining us today, and thanks for watching. And we have much more to come. And stay tuned and keep following up our social media and website. Right?
Yeah. Thanks for everybody's coming, visiting, and witnessing.
Yeah.
And again, good morning, good evening, good afternoon for all over the world. And if available, I will look for follow us to look around our whole showroom. And today is over. The journey is finished.
Thank you for watching.
So
Bye bye.
Next time,
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.